Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be creating these nails for a night out dancing, so stay tuned for more. And starting with these Timo gel nail tips, these are coffin shape and they are the medium length. I already placed them on the press-on nail stand and I'm starting with primer. This will help the gel to attach better. You can always buff the shine from the nail tips as well, but I prefer to use primer to avoid creating so much dust. Guys, I'm creating these nails last minute because my boyfriend is coming up soon to pick me up to go dancing and I didn't have any nails and I said, wait a minute, I need some nails. So I decided to create press-ons because these are the fastest way to have some nails and go. So all I have to do is glue it on my natural nail and that's it. And in this way as well, you don't have to worry about messing up around the cuticle area. Next, I'm using this beautiful glitter from Born Pretty and curing this for 30 seconds. And now I'm gonna continue with this beautiful hot pink from Born Pretty as well. I'm going to apply 2 layers and cure each layer for 30 seconds. Today I'm just creating a very simple design because I don't have time. But sometimes when you overthink something, it doesn't come out the way you want, and then when you just go for it, it come out nice like today. I really like how these nails came out. I'm just using my liner brush and creating a line in the middle of the nails, a wavy line, and I'm keeping the pinky and the middle finger with the glitter. The top coat, and now I'm just gonna clean the free edge here with this nail file, and I'm going to take the nails off the stand and get ready for the application. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready for the application, and I'm pushing my cuticle back and cleaning the dead skin around the cuticle area with this tool I purchased on GN. It's like a kind of like a file, but it's very easy to work with, as you can see, all the dead skin coming off. Then I'm gonna clean my nails with alcohol and I'm gonna apply primer as well. This will help to dehydrate the nail and remove all the oils that could be on the natural nail. Oils on the natural nail will prevent a good adhesion of any product that you applied on. And then I'm going to customize the nail tips to my cuticle area just to make it look better. In that way they don't look that much as press-ons. I'm gluing the nails on with Model 1's nail glue, and I'm applying a few drops in the center of the nail tips. Then I place it on my natural nail and I hold it in place for a few seconds. I make sure that the nail looks straight, because once you glue these nails, it won't be that easy to correct. So just make sure that your nails look straight before the glue dries. On the pinky, I had a little bit too much glue coming out of the nails onto my skin, and I wipe it off right away before it dries out. And this is it, guys. The nails are looking really cute. I'm just applying some cuticle oil to finish it up because the cuticles really dries out every time I do nails. And I'm really happy with the nails and the way they look. So I'm ready to go out and have some fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay until the end to see some bloopers when I was trying to start the video today with the presentation. Thank you to everyone who stayed until the end of the video. If you did, guys, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next video. Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be doing these nails. Hi everyone. Sigue grabando. Hola.
Hola. Hi.
Dale esas luces.